Hey everybody, it's Ed here at Oregon Wholesale Properties, and today's video blog we're going to talk about, in this post, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of buying cheap raw land around Oregon, how to buy land cheap in Oregon, step-by-step guide. So basically, you got about four steps. They're all pretty easy, very straightforward. It's nothing like buying a house and the complexities that are involved in that. Basically, step one, you're going to want to figure out your land buying goals. So people buy land for many reasons. Perhaps you're a real estate investor. You want to make money on your land investment. Maybe you want land that you can hold on to, which doesn't require a lot of work. Maybe you can retire on someday. Maybe you're just a speculative buyer and you're looking at capitalizing on future growth. You got the outdoors people like myself that just want a piece of empty land that you can enjoy recreational purposes and have fun with your family. So before you go buy land, you need to figure these things out because your desired outcome or your return, basically your return on your investment, is going to depend on what those goals are. Whether you want to buy it, subdivide it, develop it, sell it later, you're probably going to want some property that's maybe closer to the city and some sort of pathway for growth. Basically, supply and demand. Another thing, you might want to buy and hold on to the property someday for retirement, somewhere that's maybe close enough you can get to on a short little weekend jaunt. It's peaceful, quiet. If you're going to retire there, you might want to consider the infrastructure and what might be around as you get older and those difficulties that come around. Maybe just want to buy land for recreational purposes. Then you're going to want something that you can drive to that's not too far away. It all depends on your personal goals. Step two, it's pretty easy. You're going to need to find a seller. Once you figure that out, you're going to need to figure out all those above, how far you want to be away and whatnot, different types of land, opportunities. So here at Oregon Wholesale Properties, we have raw land in our inventory from time to time, and we'd love to talk with you and walk you through that process of how to buy land and what those steps are. See, the bugs are just killing me. Step three, you're just going to want to close the deal. So a good raw land seller will help you get everything in order so you can purchase the land. You can select your land investment and close the deal. You can fill out the paperwork promptly in a very organized manner. Working with the sellers, you may have owner financing, you may have some private financing, you may have some partners in the deal. Partnership is a great way to spread your risk and maximize your dollar. Basically, step four, it's the easiest part of this whole process. Enjoy and benefit the greatness that comes with the land. So the deal will probably close pretty fast, and now you can just sit back and you can enjoy it. Enjoy that investment. Start deploying your land investment plan, perhaps subdividing it, maybe building a house on it for retirement later, or just relax. Enjoy the quiet, peaceful, fresh air, and the bugs. So basically, if you're wondering how to buy land cheap in Oregon, basically follow these four steps, and we'd love to connect with you and help you out in any way we possibly can. So you can visit our website at www.oregonwholesaleproperties.com. You can give us a call at 503-607-8107, and you can like us on our Facebook channel, on the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or comments, you can kind of go down below and tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, and we can create some videos that are beneficial to you as land buyers and land sellers. It's a great way to fill a void with sellers and buyers. That's what I'm here for. Create the relationship between you two. So once again, this is Ed at Oregon Wholesale Properties. Talk to you later. Bye.